everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can publish your Shopify store. Now with that being said, let's head on to our computer browser. Next is head on to the Shopify website, that is www.shopify.com. And once you're in the website, just click on login right here, or if you don't have an account yet, just click on sign up now. So in my case, I already have an account, so I'm just gonna click on login right here. And once I've done that, I'm gonna go to my store that I want to publish, so right here. So I'm just gonna click on that. Just gonna refresh this because there's a problem loading with my page, and there you have it. As you can see right here, this is my online store, so I'm gonna view my online store, and as you can see, this is not yet published, so we're gonna change that by publishing it. I'm gonna show you in a while, but for that, I'm gonna show you a few remaining things you can actually do to set up so that when we publish your store, we won't have any problems in the future. So for now, just click on products right here at the left hand corner, and make sure that your product or the products that you are selling is actually active and you have a stock. And after that, go to settings right here, and under settings, this is your page details, so you can actually change a bunch of few details right here for your page, like your store name, your billing information, the store currency, the time zone and units of measurements, and your order format. Now once you're in the settings, just go to shipping and delivery right here, and make sure you set this up, which means we should set this up for where we'll be delivering. You can actually deliver via domestically or internationally right here. I've already set up mine. So to set up right here is just to go to shipping and delivery, and you can create a zone right here, and you can add a rate, meaning you can add a delivery fee right here. So as you can see, mine is just for free, and the rate name is standard. So next is international. If you want to deliver internationally, you can actually change that right here. So the countries that are available for me to ship internationally are these, so just read on that real quick. And next, you can add a rate right here and change the rate name right here, and you can adjust the price regarding on your preference. So once I've done that, I'm gonna check on my payments. So make sure to set up payments before you publish your store, so that we won't have any problems. Now to set up payment, you can just choose a provider right here, and you have a bunch of providers you can use. So in my case, in my country, Bogus Gateway, 2K Checkout, and MoldPay are only available in my country. So it all depends on wherever you are or what country you are residing with. Just like that. And next, go to checkout. So right here you can select a checkout method, so they can input so customers can input their phone number or email only, so it's just up to you. And if the customer decides to buy, you can change that right here. The customer information, the full name, and only requires last name, and requires first name and last name, like that. And the company name, you can actually say do not include or optional right here. And the address line says and this should be required right here. And shipping address and phone number, you can actually put this on required. So once you've done that, just click on save right here. And next, let's go to location. So under locations right here, make sure your shop location is accurate. So if you are into drop shipping, a drop shipping company will actually go to you, and they will get the product that you're actually shipping with. So make sure that the shop location is very accurate, you guys. And next, once we've done that, let's go back to my store right here, and as you can see, this is my store. And for us to publish our store, you can actually go to, so as you can see right here, let's go back to my store. I'm just gonna view my store. So right here, I'm gonna publish my store right now after I've done setting up my payment details, my shipping details, and everything that we have done so far. So to actually publish your store, all you got to do is go is click on store is click on online store right here and go to preferences. Now under preferences we can actually add a homepage title. So this means whenever someone searches on Google a name of my store, they will actually be linked into the name of my store. So I'm just gonna put on the name of my store right here. Next is to add a homepage meta description. So I'm just gonna say selling bottled coffees and pastries for to go, like that. Now under social sharing media, this is when you will share a link to your store on social media. An image is usually shown in your post. This one will be used if another relevant image can't be found. You can add a media right here that you have for your store. As you can see, I don't have any media, but you can actually add a media, so whenever they search for that particular photo, it will link to your store. So Google Analytics right here. So Analytics enables you to track the visitors to your page and generates reports that will help you with your marketing. So just paste your code from Google right here if you have a Google account or a Google store right here. Next is Facebook Pixel. If you have a Facebook account or a Facebook business account, you can just set it up right here. And customer privacy, this gives your customers control over their data. So you can actually collect it before consent or partially collected before consent right here, and you can just actually collect it after consent. So it's up to you. It's all about preference though. And next is password protection. So right here, to let anyone access your store, you just pick a plan. So I don't have a plan on Shopify. So if you have a plan right here, you can actually unclick this one and delete the password, so that any customers that will visit your store won't be asked for a password. So right, like that. And lastly is the spam protection. So this allows your store from spam and abuse by enabling Google reCAPTCHA, and this may require some customers to complete a reCAPTCHA test. So I'm just gonna click on enable right here because I don't actually face spams in my store. And once you've done that, I believe we have covered everything right here. Just click on save right here. Oops, sorry, I'm just gonna like that. I'm just gonna click on save right here, and once you click on save, this the settings are now saved and your store is now actually published. So right here. So if you have a plan picked on Shopify, it will actually automatically open. But since I don't have a plan on Shopify, so it is like this. So make sure to pay a plan on Shopify for your store to be published without a password. And to pick a plan on Shopify, you can just actually go to home right here and select a plan right here. And once you've done that, just choose a plan, and now you are ready to publish your online store on Shopify. So that's basically it for this video, and I hope you find this helpful. And if you do, please give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!